and welcome to Advanced Women in Manufacturing 2023. We have with us Alexandra Witt from Endress+Hauser with us here today. Welcome, Alexandra.
Thank you, Sukanya. Thank you for having me.
So, could you tell us about what Endress+Hauser is doing in manufacturing?
So Endress+Hauser is a global leader in measurement, instrumentation, services, and solutions for industrial process engineering. So we provide solutions for flow, level, pressure, analysis, temperature, recording, digital communication. I mean, the list goes on. And mostly, we want to focus on economic efficiency, safety, and environmental impacts. So our customers, they come from various industries: chemical, food and beverage, life sciences, power and energy, mining. Again, the list goes on. Yeah, that's what we do.
And how does Endress+Hauser embrace equity in the workplace internally?
Right. So as a family-owned business, we're aiming for long-term success. We're aware of the importance of prudent corporate management. So for us, economic growth goes hand in hand with ecological and social thinking. Our sense of responsibility extends to our customers, our partners, our employees, shareholders, as much as it does to the environmental and society. So we believe that through diversity, we're better positioned and equipped for the future. Diversity makes us more successful. And this is why we created the Women's Integrated Network here at Endress+Hauser. Globally, we kicked it off in 2019. I've been a member since the very beginning when we started it here in Canada. And we aim to activate the potential of professional women in our industry, as well as the Endress+Hauser group for long-term goals to increase numbers and in key positions and what have you in the group.
And why is Endress+Hauser sponsoring Advanced Women in Manufacturing 2023?
So specifically, it's because we're looking to activate the potential of women in manufacturing. So we look at, like I said, diversity, making us more successful. And the WIN committee doesn't just look at women. Of course, it's called that, but we look at diversity and equity across all different groups of that are maybe considered minorities.
And what is the one advice you would give to women entering the manufacturing workforce?
So I would say that what I've learned through the WIN committee is that women often don't apply for roles unless they feel like they're completely and utterly qualified for those roles. And one thing that I've learned through my years here, being with this company for 13 years now, is that you got to go for it. And even if you aren't fully qualified, as per the job description, you just have to go for it because the men will go for it. And so, you may be overlooked if you're not putting your name in the hat, and that no job interview is ever a lost opportunity if you don't win the role, because you're still interviewing always for your future role. So just go for it.
Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.